At Relialytics, we're focused on maintaining the health of your mobile equipment or your fixed plant. We do that by taking the disparate data that your mobile equipment or fixed plant generates on a daily basis, combining it and looking at it to provide a full picture of the health of your machinery. This type of data could be oil sample data, NDT or non-destructive testing data, visual data like photographs from magnetic plugs or filters or even thermography, and vehicle information management system data, for example, sensor information or location and time data from your GPS. We bring all of this data together and really investigate it to ensure that we get a full picture of the health of your machine. Currently, our main focus is on oil sample data. And the reason we've done that is because we find often that our clients are spending a significant amount of money generating oil samples on a yearly basis, but they don't tend to get the full value of that information. We often find that our clients have too many oil samples for their people to actually investigate properly. And so they really focus on the samples that tend to show that there's a real issue occurring, and they don't concentrate on the samples that show that an issue is starting to develop. We also find that the results or the interpretations of oil samples that our clients receive from the laboratories are not consistent, and because of that, the maintenance engineers can often ignore them. Okay, and those samples are also not focused on generating good, reliable data, and they're not focused on tackling early onset issues, for example, cleanliness of your oil or viscosity control. What we do with the oil samples then at Relialytics is we semi-automate the process of analysing those oil samples on a daily basis. One, this takes the workload off your site personnel, so they don't have to worry about going through those samples from scratch on a daily basis. And two, it also provides a much more consistent view of the data being provided. So we can, by running this data through our oil sampling process, we provide a very consistent view of what the samples are telling us. So it's not left up to an individual person to provide an interpretation. We also focus with our system on ensuring that we are providing practical results to our clients. So we take the information that the oil samples are telling us, and we provide consistent actions. We deliver actions from these oil samples. So, for example, if we see that viscosity is not consistent or is dropping, we provide an action straight to the maintenance crews into the CMMS system to ensure that the viscosity issues are actually dealt with straight away. Same applies to cleanliness issues, whether we see there's external ingress, so dirt or grease or other materials getting into the oil, we quickly we read the samples and we ensure that those actions are delivered straight into the CMMS system. So the site engineer doesn't have to worry about looking for those issues, he deals with it directly.